Encapsulation using closures in JavaScript. Let's take a look at that. So here I will create one function, create counter, and inside this function we will have one variable, count, and this variable is going to be private to this function only, and this function will return an object, and the object will contain three methods: increment, decrement, and get count. Increment, so this method will increase the count by 1, then decrement method will decrease the count by 1, and get counter method will return the count. So now we can increase or decrease the count with the help of these methods only, and if we want to get the exact count, then we have to use this get counter method. So from outside we cannot do anything to this count, cannot apply any kind of operations on this. If we are not using these functions, then it will not be changed, and we will not even get the value of this count without using this get counter method. Here I am creating another variable, counter. This will hold this create counter. Now we will first do counter dot increment, then console log get counter, and we will again do the similar stuff, but first we will apply here decrement. Now let's run this code. So as we can see in the console, here we have 1. The initial value was 0. Then we hit this counter dot increment. It increased the value of the count to 1, and then we are doing here console log, and after that we are applying here decrement, which decreases the value of count to 0, and then we are doing this console log, so we will have here 0. So encapsulation is building data and the methods in our case within a single unit here, and we cannot touch this private variable from outside. And we can also say by using closures we are protecting this variable, and we are only modifying the value of this with the help of these methods.